In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use IMPORTRANGE in Google Sheets. IMPORTRANGE is a simple yet powerful function that pulls live data from one Google Sheet into another. It's perfect when you want to keep a master dashboard, share a subset of data, or avoid duplicating information across files. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. First, open the Google Sheet where you want the imported data to appear. This is your destination sheet. Choose the exact cell where you want the data to start, usually A1 if you're bringing in a table. In that cell, type the formula exactly like this: X import range, spreadsheet URL, sheet name range. The first part, spreadsheet URL, is the link to the source Google Sheet, the file that has the data you want. To get it, open the source file in your browser and copy the URL from the address bar. Paste it between the double quotes so it stays as a single text value. The second part, sheet name range, tells Google Sheets which tab and which cells to pull. Replace sheet name with the exact name of the tab in the source file, followed by an exclamation point and the cell range. For example, sheet 1 A1 C100 will import columns A through C, rows 1 to 100. If the sheet name contains spaces or special characters, wrap the sheet name in single quotes like sales data A1 C100. You can also import entire columns with something like AC, or a whole sheet's typical width with AZ, depending on what you need. Once your formula is in place, press Enter. The first time you connect two files, you'll likely see a prompt to allow access. Click Allow Access to authorize the destination sheet to pull data from the source. This connection usually needs to be approved only once per file pair. If you don't have viewing rights to the source file, the import won't work, so make sure you have permission. After access is granted, your data should populate automatically. If you see an error, double check that the URL is inside quotes, the sheet name is spelled correctly, and the range is valid. In some regions, you might need to use a semicolon instead of a comma between the two arguments. From here, you can format the imported data, resize columns, or reference it in other formulas. The best part is that import range stays in sync, updating as the source changes, so your destination sheet always reflects the latest information.